Hello, peeps! It is good to see you folks visiting my channel. Welcome! Have you been searching on YouTube for a video guide? How to replace the thermal paste on this Asus TUF, the precise model listed right in front of you? You came to the right video guide then. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? A bit longer screws these are, but the two in the middle are of medium length. These three in the middle I am missing, and these three at the top quite small. This corner screw I will do without the electric screwdriver. It doesn't go out all the way, by the way. And I will start prying open the laptop at this very corner. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Before touching anything on the motherboard, I will first disconnect the battery. I should apply the same amount of pressure from both sides of the connector and pull evenly so I don't bend the pins inside the connector on the motherboard. All the 8 screws of the heatsink are meant to go out all the way, so this should be fairly easy. Please grab in the middle right here and not to the far sides. Going to use some isopropyl alcohol as well. Now I'm going to remove the fans to properly clean them as well. Putting it back again. Need to remove the other fan as well for cleaning. After some off-screen dusting and cleaning of the fan, I'm putting it back. Have to wipe off the residual thermal paste from the heatsink as well. This should do it, nice and shiny. Is this enough of Arctic MX6? What do you think? Yes, it happened to me before that I forget to reconnect the battery at the end. Properly closing the back cover starts at this corner. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.